All right, you ready to get ready for bed? Let's see. Let's get the bed inflated here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on. There we go. I'm not going to pop your head anymore. Okay, the bed's made. It's up. Are you going to come join me? Are you going to join me in a little bit? Oh, look at those poor swollen paws compared to those back legs. Okay. So, boyfriend, you going to join me now? Come on, come here. Come here, big boy. Come on. Oh, come here, join me. You go sleep there and not with me? I want you to come lay with me for a bit. You want to come join me? Oh, poor puppy doggy. Okay.